This is my 2021 Triumph Bobber, which I absolutely love, but I found riding it with the stock rear suspension was unbearable. Pushing pain up through your back every time you hit a bump. I'm 69 years old and I'd come home and have to take painkillers after a ride, so it wasn't enjoyable. And then I found about COC Customs in South Australia, and he has invented a Springer seat kit which fits your stock shock, so you don't have to spend another $800 or $900 on an aftermarket shock. And this is his setup in here. It's a Springer setup. You can use your own seat. There's no modifications at all. Took me 10 minutes to install and it's transformed my riding. Have a look at this spring in this. Look at that, beautiful. So every bump you hit is absorbed through that spring, not through your back. So Google COC Customs, have a look for 220 bucks as opposed to $800 for an aftermarket shock that honestly does nothing anywhere near what this Springer seat does. Check them out, highly recommend it.